Imagine your research process supercharged. Chatgpt Deep Research is expanding its capabilities with new integrations like Slack, offering richer context for your projects. This AI tool automates your research by crawling through data, and now it can sift through your Slack messages, making your organization's chat part of the research. While the details of Slack's involvement are still under wraps, this could transform how teams gather insights. But that's not all. Canva and Gmail connectors are also on the horizon, allowing you to search and summarize emails effortlessly. Privacy concerns? No worries. OpenAI ensures your personal data remains secure with adjustable settings. Stay ahead with ChatGPT, Deep Research's innovative approach.